So we were out here at Bauman Farms, and I was looking for Brian because I had just gone in to buy my sugar-free Marionberry pie, and I thought, well, I gotta find Brian. So I came out, wandered around the greenhouses, and here you are out in a greenhouse. What are we doing with all these beautiful geraniums?
I'm getting ready for GardenPalooza. I know. A couple of years ago, I went to Europe for the summer. Well, not for the entire summer. Mom let me out of here for like a long weekend, and I was shocked by these towers of geraniums.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, where did these come from? And come to find out, it's a series of geraniums called pillar geraniums. And the ones behind us here are ones that I've been working on for about 2 years since I went.
Wow.
And you can see they're like
Stunning. They're
5
really
feet tall
cool.
now.
Yeah.
So they're looking great. I wanted to bring them out to GardenPalooza, and we'll have starts of them available for people to try as well at home.
Oh, wow, that is such a cool idea. So you have this and then some other stuff you're bringing. Tell me, oh, that's stunning.
This is a primrose. It's not brand new, but it's pretty hard to get a hold of. It's one called Blue Zebra, and they're just starting to open just in time for GardenPalooza.
Wonderful.
Another hard to find one. This is actually one of my favorites. I had it in my garden, and I was talking with Judy earlier. She had it in her house as well. Both of ours survived the winter this last year.
Wow.
And it gets huge. It's beautiful.
That's the one that the leaves get really, really big too.
Really
don't they?
big.
Stunning.
Angel wings is
Yes,
what they call it.
Absolutely beautiful.
This is a brand new type of Cinetti or Cineraria. It's called Ruby. What a beautiful color. Again, they're just opening just in time for GardenPalooza.
And that's what we're all excited about that happening. So we're thrilled that you're going to be out there again this year. So we're happy with that. But you've also got something else coming up.
Today is the last day of our open house at the farm. Wow. So we have 3 classes today going on at 10, 11, and noon. Bailey's Nursery is here talking about their first edition, their brand new plants. We have Carla from Espoma talking about how to fertilize your berries and fruit trees. And then at noon, we have Kurt from Heinz talking about growing citrus.
But Brian, this isn't just about some really great information and education. What do you get if you go to all 3 or even one of the classes?
Every class you go, you get a 10% off coupon.
Wow.
And then every class you go, you can combine each 10% off coupon, so you can use them 30% off if you want.
Or you can still use them for 10% off any
3 different plants. Wow. Absolutely. And then garden soils on, Sluggo for $5.
Is it like in a cup?
No, 2.5 pound.
Wow.
Yeah, $5. It's a great deal. But you can go to our website at baumanfarms.com and check out all the specials today. Today is the last day, so make sure you come out today.
So for sure, don't forget GardenPalooza, but then certainly come on out today to Bauman Farms and get some smart thinking going on. Plus, you'll get a discount for that. All of the wonderful things you always find out here are still available. Thank you so much, Brian.
Good to see you, buddy.
You too.